Hello everyone, welcome back to Master Hangul. Today we will learn one of the most important pronunciation rules, linking sounds. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand how linking sounds work, read Korean words more smoothly, and read sentences naturally. Let's begin. In Korean, when a syllable ends with 받침 and the next syllable starts with iung, the final consonant sounds moves to the next syllable. This is called linking sounds. It makes Korean pronunciation smoother and easier to say. Let's look at the first example. So if you don't know the rule, you might read the words as 한국어. But native Korean pronunciation connects the sounds. Listen carefully. 한국어. Can you hear how the 기역 sound moves to the next syllable? I will read once again. 한국어. So instead of saying 한국어, read naturally. 한국어. Now let's try another example. Instead of reading 집에, read naturally. 집에. The 비읍 sounds connect to the next syllable. Try repeating after me. 한국어, 한국어, 집에, 집에. Let's try linking sounds with double final consonants. The first consonant stays and the second consonant moves to the next syllable. Let's look at the example. Repeat after me. 읽어요, 읽어요. The first consonant 리을 stays in the 받침 position and the second consonant 기역 links to the next syllable. Now listen to the next example. 짧아요, 짧아요. Can you hear the 비읍 sound moving to the next syllable? Try repeating after me. 읽어요, 읽어요. 짧아요, 짧아요. Now let's read some words with 받침. Listen first, then repeat after me. 음악, 음악. 한국어, 한국어. 밥을, 밥을. 꼬치, 꼬치. 다리, 다리. 먹어요, 먹어요. 걸어요, 걸어요. 옷이, 옷이. 앞에, 앞에. 할아버지, 할아버지. Now let's practice linking sounds with the double final consonants. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 달기, 달기. 젊음, 젊음. 넓어요, 넓어요. 읽어요, 읽어요. 없어요, 없어요. 밝아요, 밝아요. 짧아요, 짧아요. 앉으세요, 앉으세요. 삶으세요, 삶으세요. 맑으니까, 맑으니까. Now let's learn about Korean spacing. Spacing is called 띄어쓰기. Korean is not spaced by syllables. Instead, Korean uses meaningful words units. Let's look at the example. The correctly spaced sentence is much easier to read naturally. I will read the first one. 저는 집에 가요. I will read the second one. 저는 집에 가요. Now let's practice Korean spacing together. Look at the sentence carefully. Pause the video if you want more time. I will read 2 times. 저는 집에 가요. Repeat after me. 저는 집에 가요. 저는 밥을 먹어요. 저는 밥을 먹어요. 저는 옷을 입어요. 저는 옷을 입어요. 저는 책을 읽어요. 저는 책을 읽어요. 꽃이 예뻐요. 꽃이 예뻐요. 저는 음악을 들어요. 저는 음악을 들어요. 저는 물을 마셔요. 저는 물을 마셔요. 저는 손을 씻어요. 저는 손을 씻어요. 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? 눈이 와요. 눈이 와요. Today we learned how linking sounds work and basic Korean spacing rules. Thank you for studying with me through the entire Master Hangul course. I'll be cheering for your Korean journey and I hope to see you again in another lesson.